Librans, this is Tara with Ariana Stark. This is your monthly forecast for the month of June 2021. Like always, I will rely on tarot for your overall messages, and I'm also being called upon to use angel therapy cards. Besides, we also have the butterfly oracle deck right here. With respect to your love life, I'm being called upon to use this love oracle deck that has been created by me. The link is in the description box, so in case you want to make a purchase, you can do just that. Librans, please keep in mind that these are all random messages and they may not be in any particular order, so please take whatever resonates with your story and leave the rest. Let's just dive into your reading. It's the final days of May, stepping into June 2021, we have the Chariot card. It's quite possible, Librans, that you needed support to assist others. Possibly you were also quite temperamental in this period. Maybe you had issues with your father. I think your responsibilities had increased. Perhaps many of you were also making those travel plans, or you were commuting great distances. Maybe even on the work front there was a bit of friction, but then you were able to do the work. Obstacles to overcome this month, we have the Empress energy. I think new people will enter your life this month. Ideally, I think Librans, you should avoid issues. There could be over inconsequential matters, and later you will realize it was pointless. I think attention is also going to come your way from the opposite sex. You may feel as though you need to nurture others, or you need to nurture your relationships this month. Influences for this month, Librans, we have the Lovers card. Possibly there are choices with respect to your love life or with respect to your professional matters. Gains through communication is also quite likely. I think you should ask for more from clients, because later on you may feel as though you should have asked for more. Sometimes, this month you could also be a bit distracted as communication increase. Still, you will be able to complete a lot of tasks which are there at hand. Deals will also be inked very quickly. You will also be glad as you could receive an advance. Largely, I think this month you're dealing with some kind of choices. Maybe there's also confusion which you need to address. The first 10 days of June, we have the Eight of Swords energy. I think for some days you will be socializing a bit, or you will be enjoying good food, but then you should also be careful, because some people could let you down, or knives could be sharpened behind your back. As you see this lady, she feels as though she's stressed out. Maybe there could also be health issues involved here, or you should keep away from the evil eye, or you need to safeguard yourself, protect yourself from the evil eye. Perhaps some aura cleansing could do you a world of good. Largely in the first 10 days, Librans, you could be under exceeding pressure, so it's best to keep a low profile. It seems that you could also be the one who's always changing plans. That is why you have to adjust to the changing circumstances. Also, Librans, in relationships, I think you should not jump the gun, because what you assume may not be, or what appears may not seem so. On the work front also, you should make those concessions. Maybe you are somebody who is going to use guile and impersonation to your advantage. Oftentimes, you'll also be somebody who will force yourself to complete the tasks at hand. I think while dealing with clients also, you should ask for an advance. Maybe some people desire your good advice or your good counsel, but they don't want to pay you for your consultation. That is, it would definitely help if you would clear the air rather than give advice gratis. Communication, like I said, will also bring in opportunities, so you should make the most. I think your creative side will also be in the forefront, or it will be much appreciated. Besides, you're also somebody who will act speedily and hastily and complete the task. In case, Librans, you're making your way to an interview, then you will realize that this job is not suitable for you. Maybe there's too much scrutiny. There could be question marks over your qualifications as well. Perhaps you're not suitable for the job. This month also, I think many of you could also want to do up your home, or there could be home improvements. Maybe there'll also be shopping trips. The next 10 days, we have the Wheel of Fortune, that is 11 to 20th June. We did clarify the Wheel of Fortune, and we have the King of Pentacles energy. Again, the Pentacle energy asks you to capitalize, to be more productive. Perhaps, Librans, you should also be careful, because somebody could fleece you. So it would be best to read carefully even before signing papers and documents. There could also be technical issues involved here. In case Librans, you're making your way for an interview, then you should play the emotional card. I think you could move the senior members of the interview panel with your sob story or your past experiences at a job. As an employee, you may find yourself being hard pressed for time. Maybe you will ask your boss to extend the deadlines and you will be obliged. Also, in these days, I think Librans, you should be careful. You should not act out of turn. Maybe somebody could be suspicious about your motives. Interestingly, the energy is such this month that you need to also enhance your skills. Perhaps you should sign up for an educational course or you should learn something new. The last 10 days of June, that is towards 21st to 30th June, we have the Five of Pentacles energy. I think in this period you should be careful because you could misplace your belongings. Some of you may also have to let go of things which you don't need. Perhaps this will give you the peace of mind that you desire. Also this month, I think you should be transparent with respect to your dealings, or your misdeeds could be out in the open. In these days, you should also clarify rather than jump to conclusions. Sometimes, you could also overreact as you're overworked and stressed out. I think you need to have a very professional approach. Even on the home front, you may feel that your loved ones may feel that you don't want to take responsibility. Nonetheless, in these final days, you'll also get an opportunity to work things out. Librans, you could also benefit on account of spiritual healing workshops. With respect to your love life, I have the card hesitancy, commitment, phobia. I think the person you are dealing with could have issues with respect to commitment. Perhaps for some of you, this person is also a player. Single Librans, there will definitely be admirers. I think you are somebody who could leave them heartbroken. Internally, you may be happy that the feelings they have for you are genuine, but I think it's no point stringing anyone along. Incidentally, even if this person's ego is hurt, this person could make a last-ditch effort to reach out to you to convey his feelings for you. I think some of you are also dealing with an older person because we do have the King of Pentacles energy. Perhaps this person has deep pockets. On the other hand, those of you who are crushing on someone, I think you want to express your feelings to this person, but then you could withhold yourself. Maybe the unhappy environment on the home front makes you feel vulnerable. That is why you want to reach out to him. In case you're in an on-again, off-again relationship, you may be thinking about reconnecting with this person. I think this is the best time if you want to renew contact with this person and express your feelings for this person. In case you're in an on-again, off-again relationship, I think this month is the best time to reach out to this person or to renew contact, or perhaps you may hear from this person. Maybe all along he was thinking about you. I think you realize that there should not have been a distance in the first place. Maybe this person also wants to unburden his soul. Probably some sad news has affected him deeply. On the other hand, romancing Librans, I think there could be a choice in love here. You should also be careful because there could be some dark energy with respect to this connection that is there. Nevertheless, this person and you could share poems, or you could share every detail about your life or your past. Maybe you will also discuss work. I think your lover is also who is quite insecure. Maybe he fears that you could return to your ex. That is why he is a bit hesitant as well. Maybe he thinks that you suffer from commitment phobia. But you want to reassure him that the feelings that you have for him are quite deep and profound. Married Librans, I think you're dealing with the fluctuating moods of your person. I think he's also somebody who could assist you at work. For some of you, I'm also picking up that the health of a loved one could also be a cause for concern this month. Ideally, the two of you should find solutions to the problems that may arise. Maybe you should listen to romantic numbers and bring in the romance, which is lacking in your relationship. In case yours is an unhappy connection, I think infidelity could be a factor here. Jealousy and domestic violence could also be an issue here for some Librans. Basically, you desire freedom. That is why you want to walk away from this unhealthy or toxic relationship. I think many of you also want commitment from your partner. In case yours is an extramarital relationship or third-party situation, then you may feel that this person is a bit hesitant. This is why it could leave you a bit perplexed as well. To wrap up this reading, we have messages from the Angel Therapy card. It says here cancel, clear, and delete. Excuse me, Librans, I think your throat chakra also needs some healing. It says here use only positive words and thoughts as they are rapidly manifesting into form. This is interesting because my throat just acted up just now. That is why your angels are asking to speak clearly or to respect your feelings and banish away those thoughts or negative words from your vocabulary. Sometimes, you may feel as though you're being victimized or that your views are not being taken into account. You should let go of these feelings and you should only think about positive things. Basically, your angels are asking you to have a clear outlook for yourself. Motivation is the last card in this reading from the Butterfly Oracle deck. Sometimes, Librans, you may be lacking the motivation or the drive to forge ahead. Maybe boredom could set in, and that is why you need excitement, whether at work or in your personal life. Sometimes, what was interesting once may no longer seem so. So that is why you could feel a bit distracted. Perhaps you should address these issues and you should understand that you need to be truthful about your needs and desires. It would also help if you would shake things up a bit. Maybe you could readjust your routine and this could bring in that energy that you desire to keep you going. I hope, Librans, you liked your reading. This is Star with Rihanna Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. We also have the weekly love reading which is published every week. Have a look at that as well to get greater insight into your love life. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye till the next time.